Hey guys, let's quickly whip up a delicious, unique recipe. Yes, featuring beans, corn, red oil, and some other ingredients. So guys, let's get started. Here is the beans, yes, all looking clean. We are using this particular type of beans, the black eye beans. Please get rid of any unwanted substance in it, okay? Yes. Now moving on to the next one, get your clean pot, okay? And pour in some water. Now cover it and bring it to a boil, okay? Once it starts boiling, wash in your beans, okay? Yeah. And cover it to cook. Yeah, we want to cook for the first time, let's say for an hour or 30 minutes, yes. And rinse, yes. You're going to wash it, okay? And bring it back to your cooker, okay? Pour in some water and continue to cook, okay? Now moving on to the next one. Here is our fresh corn, yes. So guys, let's peel them. Get rid of the back just like this. Let me use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my subscribers. Yes, both newest and returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for being here, for your support. I really appreciate. I also want to plead with you guys, please, to engage and watch my videos. I checked my analytics and I found out that people who are watching my video most are non-subscribers. Like, I was shocked. Please guys, you don't subscribe and then go, in fact, disappear. Engage, like, comment, okay? Is there something I'm not getting right? Or there's something you guys want me to be doing, like, okay? I'm open for suggestion, all right? So please, guys, let's keep it going, okay? Now, let's continue. Now we are done peeling. Go ahead and wash them, okay? Once you're done, transfer it in your cooking pot. Yes, the same pot you are using to cook your beans, okay? In that way, it will be faster and, of course, save time, okay? All right. Adding more water to cover it a bit and cover to cook, okay? At this point, guys, our corn is done. Well cooked, yes. So go on and take it off the pot, yes. This is after an hour, okay? Even if it is not done, we are still going to make use of it, like cook it again, yes. Don't worry. Just keep watching, okay? So here is our corn. Set it aside, okay? At this point, our beans is done already. So set it aside too. Now, guys, it's time to get the corn out of the cup. Yes. Just like this. This is the easier way to do it. Yes. Okay. Keep going until you are through with them. Okay. Hello to you that is meeting my video for the first time. Welcome. I am Ijoma. You can call me IJ or Oma for short. Please try and be part of the family, okay? You can only do that by subscribing. Please hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video, alright? Okay, let's continue, guys. Yeah, we are done. Set it aside, okay? Now, moving on to the next one. Here we'll have our tomatoes, scotch bonnet peppers, and long pointed peppers. So go ahead and wash them and transfer your blender and blend. Next up, guys, get your chopping board and your onions and slice. Okay? Yes, you can use more than 2 onions. Yes, this recipe requires enough onions, so be generous with it, okay? Let me say this for those that are new on YouTube, yes, because I can remember when I first heard of YouTube, subscription and all that, I thought it involves money, like starting a YouTube involves money, even subscription. So guys, for you that is wondering if subscribing, you're gonna spend money or they're gonna charge you, it's a no, yes. Don't be scared, it is totally free, okay? Alright, so guys, we are done cutting. Moving on to the next one. Get your clean pot, okay? Add in some oil, your palm oil, yes. Once it is heated, go on and add in your diced onions. and give it a quick stir. Yeah. Now pour in your tomato. Yeah, your tomato pepper mix. Yes. And stir. Let's allow it to fry, okay? You fry until it is dry, okay? Yes. At this point, it is dry. So go on and add in your chicken stock or your fish broth. We are using fish broth, guys. Add in some salt, your seasoning, and your ground crayfish. Yes. We are not going to pour everything, okay? Just leave a little bit. It will come later, all right? Go on and stir it. Don't add more water. A cup of water is okay, or your chicken stock or your broth. All right, cover it and bring it to a boil. At this point, go on and add in your peppers. Yes. I don't like blending my peppers together with the tomato. Yes, in order to avoid it getting to my throat when I'm frying. Yes. So, but if you don't feel that way, you are free to blend everything together. Okay. Now we are adding the beans and the corn. Yes, this mixture is something else, guys. Yes, I hope you try this recipe. Okay, we are not done, but it's coming up so well, guys. So stir it to combine so well. Yeah. All right, let's cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes. And here we are checking again, guys. It is looking so good. Stir, stir. Now add in the remaining crayfish, okay? And some diced onions, round onions, ring onions. Oh my God, this is so delicious. I assure you, you will love it. It looks so good. Stir it, guys. I'm sure you are salivating already. You are. I know. It is looking so good, guys. We are almost done. Let's test for salt, guys. So perfect. Now, add in your spinach. Yes. Oh my. It looks so yummy. Are you gonna try this recipe? Guys, give it a shot, okay? Yes. So ready. It is ready. So ready, guys. Now take it off the heat. And there you have it, our delicious, unique recipe set. Guys, we are enjoying it alongside with some fried fish and fried plantain. Oh my, this combo is something else, guys. Give it a shot, okay? And if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, follow, and of course subscribe for more tasty recipes, alright? See you guys in my next video. Bye.